Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Part 5. Once again, didn't mean to make it, but I was just playing around. If you looked at these, kind of look like they kind of have a shadow, especially this one. And this, they actually grow it. It's not like a different light, but I thought it would be kind of cool to produce a shadow on that part that's supposed to be laying over. So this thing is almost 22 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor to 22. I'm going to make a duplicate and move it over. I'm going to left click, right click. Now you can see our lines, but what we're going to do, we're going to take this one right here. And the reason I took the color out, just so I can kind of see it, we're going to make a shadow. I'm going to go ahead and use the 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go from there to there. I'm going to make my shadow a little bit bigger than I did when I was seeing if this would work. And then I'm going to cut through there. And no, I didn't want to do that. I want to cut. You know what? Let me back up here. I don't want to make it really any bigger. Yeah, I do want to make it bigger. I want to make it bigger than, I'm going to go from there to there. And I'm going to give it a shadow. Now we can take away this line. Yeah, that'll work. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with black. I'm going to nudge it over. I don't want it black, so I'm going to take the transparency docker and make it a little bit transparent. I'm going to maybe leave it a little bit darker than it should be. Then I'm going to take it, and a shadow shouldn't be perfect, so I'm going to, like this, so I'm going to go to Effects and Blur, and I'm going to Gaussian blur it, which is also going to make it a little lighter. That looks pretty cool. Now let's move it back to our shadow, or our original, and see we kind of got a shadow effect. Now we're not going to make a duplicate of it, but we're going to center it in the center of the page. So I'm going to alternate C to put the rotation in the center of the page. Now I'm going to get out my Windows Dockers transform or transformation. I've still got the same. If you didn't watch the first ones, you need to watch it. So now it has like a shadow. Let me move this out of the way. It'll really show up when we put a black box around it, I think. See how it kind of appears they're giving a shadow to the other one? Now, really and truly the best one, I kind of left this space. Now I wish this space was kind of open, because this one really probably needs to be more on top of it. But whoever I was trying to help will figure that out. That looks pretty good. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.